What is up, everybody? Welcome to HomeCraft cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and this is actually my first video as a full-fledged husband now. Me and my wife Marcia got married this past September 10th, and it was an amazing, just beautiful wedding all around. All of our family and friends were there. For our honeymoon, we went to Aruba, gorgeous island, also called One Happy Island, and it is indeed a true fitting name. Everyone there is happy and just very uplifting. So that brings us to today's cocktail in honor of that, the Aruba Ariba. The cocktail was invented in 1964 in Aruba by bartender Juan Jockey Trump at the Hilton Aruba Caribbean Resort and Casino at Palm Beach. Now, while we were in Aruba for the week for our honeymoon, we saw this cocktail at almost every single bar we went to. So you can definitely tell that this is a trademark cocktail of theirs. So definitely happy to jump into this cocktail today and make it right at home. So now with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get into actually making the drink. So first off, you're gonna start with 3 ounces of orange juice. Then you're gonna do 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Next, we'll do 3/4 ounce of Grenadine. Now, for the recipe that I was going off of, it calls for 1/2 ounce of vodka and rum, and I felt like that was kind of too light for my liking, so I actually just doubled both of those. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of vodka, followed by 1 ounce of light rum. Next, we'll have one of the most important ingredients of the cocktail, which is 1/4 ounce of Crème de Banana, or banana liqueur. Then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. I've never used this small amount of lemon juice ever, so I don't know how much impact this will actually have on the drink, but that's what the recipe calls for, so that's what we're gonna do. Next, we're gonna fill a hurricane glass with ice. And then we're gonna fill our shaker with ice and then shake for about 10 to 15 seconds and then strain into our glass. Finally, we're gonna garnish with a maraschino cherry as well as an orange slice. Then lastly, you place a straw. There we have an Aruba Ariba. All right, now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. That's really good. Really good, really refreshing cocktail. Definitely a summer drink. I know we are now into the beginning stages of fall, so technically not even in summer anymore, but if you're anywhere tropical, sunny, 80-degree weather, this is a type of drink that you would want. I can taste the banana, however, it's very, very faint. I mean, we only did use 1/4 ounce, so not much. So if I were to ever make this drink again, I'll probably just use a tad bit more. I don't want it to taste too banana-y, but I want it to at least have some sort of significance in the cocktail. It's not giving me a lot of banana liqueur, considering this is the first cocktail I've ever even made that has banana liqueur in it. As far as how the drink looks goes though, you have that grenadine that not only adds sweetness to the drink, but also gives it that nice, just deep, orangish, reddish look to it. So, looks just about as good as any other, Caribbean or tiki cocktail would look. maraschino cherry and the orange slice as well adds that bit of character to the cocktail. So, you know, it looks just as good as it tastes. And keep in mind, there were multiple variations of Aruba Ariba recipes that I was able to find online. So some might use like an extra ingredient or two, or might switch things here and there. But for the most part, as long as you have your fruit juices, your banana liqueur, and your, I think, vodka and rum, those are like the 4 main components to any Aruba Ariba. As long as you have those 4, you're golden. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.